Hello, it's Realtor Steve from Living in Las Vegas, Nevada, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel. So what I did here was take a checklist for first-time home buyers, but it's really for all home buyers because you don't buy a home every day unless you're an investor, and this is good information for you to have when getting another home or getting your first home. So what I did was put it all on pretty much one screen here. I condensed it and it's in three different sections: financial requirements, documents needed for your mortgage approval, and the bottom are the steps in the home buying process. So, what I want to go over is each one really quick and let you know that the financial requirements, as you see here, they're different with all lenders. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to disclose I am not a mortgage broker. I am not a lender. I'm a real estate agent, but I have to know some of this stuff so I'm able to provide some information for you. But loan officers, mortgage brokers, they're the ones you want to talk to. They'll tell you if you qualify for a mortgage and how much the interest rate will be and what your cost will be depending on the price of the home. But also, if you can't, they'll help you get to the point where you will qualify. So you'll see there, I have 620 minimum credit score for a conventional, 580 for FHA. Again, a lot of this is subject to change. Normally, you need 2 years of stable work history, a debt to income ratio below 43 to 45%. So if you're in that range, you're good. Uh, Down payments are all different. There are down payment assistance programs out there, but this gives you some information. Like an FHA is 3.5% usually. You could put more down on an FHA, but that's the minimum. Closing costs are anywhere from 2 to 5%. I think 5% is kind of on the high end. And they would like you to have some cash reserves in case of emergencies. And documents needed, it's pretty much self-explanatory there. You need, some sort of ID, proof of your work history, W-2s, 1099s, tax returns, bank statements, your employer information you'll need to provide, rental history or proof of rent payments, debt info. If you have credit cards with outstanding debt, it's usually to get those paid off. That will get you, a better loan. And Social Security card is sometimes required. So the steps in home buying, and there are some things in here that are left out in certain circumstances, but you get pre-approved by a lender, you hire a realtor for guidance. Remember, we guide you, we give you a lot of information, but it's always the buyer's decision whether to buy or not. Start house hunting, make an offer with earnest money. Offer gets accepted, escrow's open, schedule a home inspection, lenders order an appraisal, so the banks will appraise them. Remember today, laws have changed. You cannot pick your appraisal person. That's picked at random by the banks. Loan underwriting process, receive clear to close, and closing day. Sign documents and you get your keys. Well, some stuff isn't in here. Like sometimes we have to negotiate back and forth a bunch of times in the middle of all that. But that's why you have a good realtor by your side. So again, this is Realtor Steve from Living in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call, send me a text message, email me, and definitely scan the QR code on the top. If you like my site, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, it's Realtor Steve from Living in Las Vegas, Nevada. Until next time, have a great day.